Thanks. Try this.
Fasting beast. So there's a book about God, prime creator of the universe, whatever you're gonna call it, right? So in this video, we're gonna call it God. So there's a book about God, and in that book, somebody asked God, when is our new Savior coming? What is the person that's gonna guide us, the person that's gonna help us coming? And God respond, He's not coming. And they ask him why, and he say, because he's too afraid of the criticism. He's too afraid to be judged. He's too afraid to deliver the message, and people's gonna judge him. He's too afraid of that. And that's what I believe. There's a lot of people with a lot of wisdom, and they don't want to get on camera. They don't want to deliver the message because they're too afraid of what people's gonna say. And you need to stop being afraid, because at the end of the day, you're gonna die. And the only person that is gonna judge you is gonna be God, nobody else. Not your friend, not your sister, not your brother, not your dad, not your mom. At the end of the day, whatever you do in this life, only God is gonna judge you. So if you're waiting and you don't want to deliver your message, that you know you want to start your social media, start delivering your story, so you can save somebody, so you can help somebody, so you can make somebody's life better. And you don't want to do it because you're afraid to be judged. Then I don't know what to tell you, but you need to remember that when you die, only God is gonna judge you, and He's gonna be like, well, I sent you to do this. I gave you the wisdom. I gave you the message to deliver. Why you didn't do it? Oh, because I was too afraid. I was too afraid to be judged, right? No, you need to stop being afraid to be judged. Let them judge you. Let them judge me. I do not care. I know my English is not perfect, and I still get comments. I still get hate. That doesn't mean I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going because I'm supposed to deliver this message. I'm supposed to be over here as a